Hello everyone, welcome on our 22nd stream where we are implementing our brand new Kotlin Multiplatform Compose application, Modern Money. As usual, at start disclaimer, I'm not professional Android developer or any kind of mobile developer. All what I'm doing here, I'm learning, so please provide like your feedback if you know how to solve something different way, it's a better way, and don't take my my streams as some like best practice examples. Yeah, it's just, again, I'm learning, I can find some like better way in future and solve it, but you can use them as guides which just bring you some initial information about how to set up Kotlin multi-platform project for desktop, for phone, and etc. And please provide your feedback. By some reason, yeah, maybe because I cannot run streams every week right now. As you can see, I'm reduce this gap between streams to 1 week. Previous, like 1 week in between, so like it's two week gap only. Like between previous and previous stream, it was like 3 weeks gap. So I will try to run it again every week. Hopefully it will, like, I will be able to do it. But yeah, right now we have what we have. So again, I didn't have time to do something as my homework, and that's why again I didn't create any title for current stream so far, because we will do something, yeah, we will continue to implement, but I have no idea what we will face and which problem we will solve, and etc. So I guess we can start in this case. First of all, let's check, do we have any updates? We already have a lot of libraries. Oh yeah, we have a lot of updates, looks like, huh? Yeah, I know what is going on. It's not because of new version available, it's, I guess, also, for example, this room, yeah, I install one plugin. Let me disable it. It's for this Hakon type of, yeah, and see it's disappear. Okay, but we have a lot of new things. So first of all, let's update Kotlin. Yeah, it's usual, really scare things, let's say. Something what can go wrong. Alt, yeah, Alt 5, not free. But yeah, like we're building right now. So why we don't see this build? Yeah, so just let me check. Do we have some hotkey here? No, we don't. That's why. Okay, but it's builded, and let's run on our beautiful Android emulator. I will not switch so far because yeah, it's usual when I switched, it takes a really long time just to be deployed. But while it's building, you still will see you still will see IntelliJ ID, but I switch to my GUI for Git, and of course I will stage and deploy and push changes if everything is okay. Yeah, well, I download right now a lot of things. One interesting problem I faced, yeah, here I specify that my build tool version should be 36.1, but every time I go to Android SDK, I can see that 36.00 is also downloading. I remove it and it's downloaded again. I remove it, it's downloaded again. I guess it happens because we also have this Android in shared, yeah, here Android library, and we have compile SDK, but we also maybe can provide this build tools version. So it should be not an Android resource, it should be on this level. Yes, let's update it. Right now it's not so important because looks like it's running. Let's switch to our beautiful Android emulator, and yes, it works. We have transaction, we have our pay. So looks good. Okay, we can stop right now. Let me remove again. I'm afraid you will not see this window, yeah, because it's. But run one more time. So it's started already. You should see still Android emulator, and yeah, it's here. But yeah, let me switch to IntelliJ IDEA. I will go to SDK tools. Yes, it's not here anymore. Yeah, so the problem was here. I need to put this build tools version also inside shared model, not only inside Android itself. Okay, nice. So update Kotlin. Let's check what we have for Gradle. It's 9. Okay, it shows that maybe there is new version. Yes. Okay, 9.4.1. And as usual, as you remember, we need not only change it here, we also have to go to Gradle themselves and run this wrapper to download new version of Gradle, Gradlebot, and maybe this jar. So after it finished to downloading, plus what we should do to keep our disk space not so big, we need to go here inside .gradle folder after it's finished and remove 940, yeah, because can we calculate it from here? Maybe not, but I will tell you. I will go to my Explorer, and it's not so big. It's just 8 megabytes, but anyway, I would like to keep everything like clear, yeah. I even sometimes go inside my maven.m2 repo. I'm use Gradle, yeah, but because it should be provided compatibility, it still uses .m2 folder for downloading artifacts, for like downloading libraries, and I also clear this folder as well. Dispute, I'm using dev drive. I have two drive, one for system and one for my repos and etc. And this dev drive, Windows provided, Microsoft provided, and I really like it. It's faster than use. It's on just your system drive. Okay, so what we have? We have new Gradle. Oh, I even didn't push this Android X navigation compose. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, we have new property, and I guess it's all. So update Gradle. What is with my, yeah, sorry. My keyboard lost one leg. Okay, so let's update compose. Let's update activity compose. Let's update Koin, it should not be problem. Lifecycle, preference, UI test, but keep tests so far as it is. Again, while it's building, I need to check what I forgot to push for Payee. So it still do something, but as you can remember, we use this handler, but right now we're using different approach. Yeah, we use this navigation event compose, and in shared, in common, we started to use it. Yeah, it's not components, it's somewhere here. Kotlin Multiplatform application. Oh, pop. update it. Of course, it's important. But in main layout, yeah, here we started to use, and where we fix it, let's check history. Make test multiplatforms. What? I remember I switched to this material. It's line 47. Yeah, it's here, navigation event compose. Is it not an... Okay, maybe it's inside... where was it? So I have navigation suite, and current destination title. Yeah, navigation, it title. Okay. So it should be in UI in this case, and maybe inside main layout. Okay, we're in main layout. Is it list entity details? It's image picker. Okay, list details. Yes, list details, navigation back handler. Let's check history. Update libraries. Okay, did it with update libraries, and I forgot to push changes inside libraries. My bad. Update libraries. So I did it here, I hope, yeah. Yes, and I forgot to push one thing. Oh, poop, 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 poop. Okay, I will push everything right now. Okay, let's close other tabs, and here we need to fix it. Yeah, replace with Koin configuration level, blah blah blah. I don't like it. Okay, what we should use? We should use configuration log level instant. And content. What? What is difference between this one and this one? Koin configuration level content. Koin configuration level. Okay, Koin multiplatform application, and we need to use Koin application. Use Koin application config with Koin configuration instant Koin application declaration lambda. But it's what I did. What the hell? Again, use Koin application, but I don't want to use so we need to use this one. Koin configuration model. Koin configuration, and I need Koin application. Do we have view? Okay, I guess it's not what we want to have. We want to have this one, but this one also. Oh my goodness. Okay, we can use, what is wrong here? Koin application, Koin app declaration. Is it Koin app declaration? No, it's Koin configuration. We need this Koin application. Oops. Koin configuration and then content. Okay, import, different import, Koin configuration. No, it's what. Okay, it's crashed again. Sorry, I really don't know what is going on. Okay, maybe I'm online finally. Yes, I'm finally online. Yes, like my OBS Studio crashed twice in a row. So yeah, but I should be online right now. Okay, cool. Let's back to understand what we have to use. We need to use this Koin application and Koin configuration and my app. And it's what exactly we're using. Not multi-platform, not this Koin application, where we have Koin app declaration. We use configuration exactly. Okay, configuration. This is a problem. Okay. Whew. Yeah, now it's good. So we updated it. Let's check, do we have something else? This is green. This is green. This is green. Yeah, we have some problem here. What we have here? Redundant reference. Yes, we don't need companion, 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 companion. And one more companion. Okay, green right now. So transaction didn't work a lot. Preferences, something, no, it looks good. Screen also. Pay, two problems. Let's check what is going on. Yes, imports. Just like cleanup work, yeah? One problem. Import. List item. Click never use. Oh, it's interesting. Categories, green drop down. Okay, two problems and all about directives. Yes. Category list details. Looks good. Bank, green drop down. A lot of directives. It. Yes, because it, but I like to use it if it's possible. Account, green details, green list item, one problem. What exactly? Okay, yes. Account hiders never used. We'll continue to work on it. For each, yes, it can be used for each. By some reason, they would like to use typo in MasterCard, and what is type? Okay, it should be mastercard. I'm using this way. Currency drop down never used. Interesting. It should be. Okay, so I guess we fix enough. Let's close all tabs and just run it for fun again. And we'll see what is going on. Yes, we will fix all these warnings like before first release, because release should be like without any, it's like definitely what I like to have. Okay, install succeed. Let's switch to Android, and looks like it works. We have bank, have pay, we can edit, we can create new one. Nice. Let's switch back. What I also, yeah, let me push everything what we fix. So we update libraries, and we fix a lot of stuff. Yeah, sorry, I'm just like going through application right now, and I can see that, yeah, we have something like get value for runtime, for example, and I'm not sure where we are using it. Most probably we use it for something what we don't use right now anymore. Yeah, this setting state, yeah, it's what we don't need. And the settings also. So we can remove it for now. Okay, yes, we add settings screen. It's correct. Why it's green, not sure. So stage this, stage this, stage this. We don't need this, but we need that. And here we should stage this one and main layout stage. Yes, looks good. Don't need this. It's language, mortgage. Yeah, I need to stash it to not. Okay, looks good. Update libraries. Commit and push. Okay, so let's close it. What I also would like to fix, I would like to check our view models, and it's what we found in Payee. Yeah, for Payee it's okay, but for Payees we need to filter out current Payee here, filter not, and then here we can normally use it as it is. So let's do the same for category, yeah? So when we get categories, the same way as here in Payee, because right now we filter it out category does not exist, category ID equals, category cannot be shown parent, category name, root category already exists, category already exists in parent. Okay, we don't have it here. Let's go to bank. Yes, and for bank we have it here. So we will filter it out here. So it's collect it filter not. So yeah, we filter not and then add all of them. Here we do for each, but yeah, it's okay. And we should do the same for account, yeah. So we have here, yeah, an account not equals, but we should do it here as well. It just will be faster, all accounts, yes. And here filter node e.id account.id equals id. Okay, let's check that our checking still works. So you should see our beautiful Android emulator. Okay, let's go to wallet and we can change it without any problems. But you will try to create new account with wallet. Yes, wallet already exists. Okay, let's go to bank and the same. We can add bank, but if we will create new bank, but C bank, for example, yeah, it's already, it works. And if we select logo, yeah, it gives us opportunity to save it. I don't know why it's so slow, but yeah, it works as expected. Okay, yeah, categories, no category, yes, and name, guess, let's say car, not guess, car, and then we can create subcategory, call it guess, and it should be car. Okay, we have it, but right now if we edit guess, it's okay, but we can create guess one more time, yeah, so that's why we don't have this checking, yeah. Just checking that you should not use the same in parent category. Okay, so maybe it's time to finally work with transaction, our biggest, yeah, location. We also need locations, but yeah, not sure. By the way, let's check that it still works also for desktop. Don't worry, black screen is not because something is going wrong. You should see right now our desktop application, and still we have US dollar as usual. Let's check run, yeah, check run, and can we create Payee? Yes, we can. Let's go to car, save. I'm not sure why there is no logo. And we have empty alias. It's interesting. Empty alias. Let's check, do we have the same on Android? Yeah, maybe we found some bug with aliases. So if we go to Payee and create new one and name it, I don't know how, guess free, and no aliases, and save it. Okay, but if we, what happened? Right button work as click back. Yes, we have empty alias here. Okay, let's fix it. So what is going on? We are in Pays, no, in Payee, yeah, because in Pays everything is okay, but in Payee no. So if ID not equals, we just collect it, map to Payee, and here we use aliases, and let's debug it first of all, yeah. So do we have it in database or not? So we can go to our inspector. Oops, I need to run it. And check in Payes. Yes, we have nothing, but we are splitting, and I guess this is a problem. Yeah, what we are trying to do. It's interesting. So this update really the same as this one. Oh no, it's to account. Yeah, it's this one. I worried like, yeah. But yeah, it's like really almost the same. Here we have plus, here we have minus. Okay, but where we work with these aliases, yeah, it's map to Payee, I hope. And inside Payee we have something. It's db. No. It's empty list by default. Okay, it should be in model. Here we have Payee. It's in detail or converter, list string converter. Yes, we split it and then map with trim, but we need to, when we split, we also should provide so like it's return empty string in case you see like result and it's add empty string here, and we map with trim, and here we need to filter not it is null or blank, and looks like is blank. We can call. Why? Call not null type may be reduced. Okay, let's do this way. So right now if we run it again, let's switch to Android emulator, go to Payee and edit it. Yes, right now aliases are empty, but if we open guess2, yes, we have one. If we open guess one, yeah, we have two, but if we open just guess, it's empty. Okay, nice, and it should fix desktop application as well. Yeah, we fix in one place and it's shared across all platforms. Open Payee, we edit, and no any aliases. Brilliant. Okay. So let's push it. So let's start to implement what I want like for a long time. Let's imagine you have few accounts and already, and you create new one, like real accounts. I mean, like in bank, you go to bank, you create new account, and you want to use it more often. Like, yeah, for example, you when you just started to use application, you add your credit card account, you add your safe account, but then you also open second credit card account, yeah, and you would like to use it really often, but because it's ordered as it was added, you you will see it only as like third. Okay, first it will be first second card account, second it will be your saved account, and third it will be again your second credit card account, but it will be third, and you would like to see it second. In this case, I would like to use this approach to just drag and drop. Like, yeah, you can click on account for a while, and it will be draggable, and you will be able to move it. But first of all, what we have to do, we need to change our model, because right now in our DB model in accounts, we don't have, yeah, we have this mortgage, which we don't use right now, but we don't have something like, how call it better, it's not, maybe not order house like I found it, and order, yeah, I use order. So let's use the same. Let's have taken total, but yeah, maybe we can create it in future. So yeah, order like int, and by default it's 0, but I would like to update it when we save it. And which approach I used previously, I hope I just calculated and somehow edited it. Money account DAO, get, where is save? How did I save it? Queries. Okay, I have repository, account, repository, get sync, get accounts, load accounts, insert full account, and update child entities. But I use insert in sample repository. And sample repository, update, insert, entity to int. Huh. I don't see that I calculated somewhere. It's interesting. But I remember that I did. Okay, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's load, update, but here is insert. And we use just super insert. And in DAO I also don't see anything. Okay, we use base DAO. Yeah, nothing. Okay, so the idea is when we save it here in DAO, when we insert it, by the way, yeah, maybe we can do the same. We have insert, update, delete. It's like really the same as here, yeah. But when we save it, we need to calculate this order. And what is good is inside. But I remember that I reordered them, and it should be updated. Yeah, maybe I did it somewhere else. Anyway, what is good that in our view model we already have all accounts. So it means like when we create it's just 0, but when we here create new account, we already should have but will we? It's launch here, but here we have to wait that all accounts are already filled. It wasn't problem, but it will be problem in this case. But we can do it here, yeah? Map to DB account. Yes. We have DB account, and we also have just normal account. And here is also should be val order int equals 0. And here is order as well as back order. Okay. But when we create it first time, here we have to provide order. Let's put order equals all accounts, all accounts dot count, and we'll see what will happen. So let's put here run debug. Yeah, maybe I will switch back. We don't need. Oops, I run. We need phone. Just faster to test. And it should fail right now. Yes, why? Because we change database but didn't provide any update function. It will be additional stream about how to do it, so I have to remove. Okay, let's switch to Android emulator because it will take some time. So what we need right now, we need again to create new bank, call it a bank, select logo, our beautiful, save it, go to accounts. Yeah, first of all we need currencies, we need dollar, euro, and of course Czech crowns. Okay, we go to accounts, create new account, just bank account, currency, dollar, euro, Czech crowns, and a bank. And let's put MasterCard 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, save. And here right now account should already contains order 0. It's normal. Yeah, but when we started create second, call it wallet and add currency as Czech crown only and save, here account should contains order 0. It's what I was afraid, because when we, why it's stopped? I'm not sure what's going on, but my lamp just turned off. Yeah, today like really really strange stream, and maybe I need to adjust it. Okay, so yeah, when I save it, it's still 0 in order. Let's put here and here. What is going on? I just use this lamp. Now you can see it. I can turn it on. Okay, it's out of battery. Yeah, sorry about it, but looks like it's sign that we need to stop stream in this case, because it will be really ugly. But yeah, let's finish at least this debugging. So let's I will switch to IntelliJ IDEA. Yeah, sorry about it. I know that right now it's like bad light, but it's because of my lamp is die, and I don't have any electricity right now to connect it. Okay, let's try to create new bank. First we're here, but not here, I'm afraid. Yeah, all accounts 0, and only after some time we're here, and all accounts will have something. So it means like we should put not when we created this order, but when we add or update. Okay, we're almost out of time, plus my lamp is died, so I need some time yet to think about how to better implement it, because it should be updated. Plus I would like to learn to not do it right now, because I will spend a lot of time just reading some documentation, how to implement this drag and drop with the list items. And on next stream, again, hopefully we'll have time. On next stream we will continue, and hopefully we will finally do something interesting. Yeah. Because we already prepared almost everything. We also like what next I would like to run. So first of all, this ordering, then we need to take care about locations. I need to understand how to show you this integration with Google Map at least, or maybe even like we will add some another maps in future. And then we will start it finally with transaction, and after it we will be able to work with reports, and then more and more. Again, I know that right now streams is not so interesting, because I just do work which I have to do, like my homework, but because if I just don't have time, we do it on streams. But it's exactly why I would like to run to the streams. It's pushed me to continue implementation, and we did today some progress, we updates, we found some problems, we fix them. Yeah, we bring new functionality which bring new problem, but implementation is continue going. Yeah, not really fast as we would like to have, but still. Okay, thanks everyone. Sorry again for this technical problem with OBS Studio. I didn't OBS Studio. I have no idea what is going on there, because I have really good internet right now. Plus that my lamp is die in between of stream. So thanks everyone, and hopefully see you in 1 week. Bye.